Framer text animation tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I am going to show you how you can make some text animation within a Framer. It is very easy and simple to do. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial as always from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. Now the first thing that you need to do is to go to framer.com. Then we are going to open up a account within a Framer. Sign in, then you are going to click on open Framer right here. Then it will let you see here the landing page or the dashboard of the platform. As you can see here, I have my workspace and I have my account set up and we have a project going on. Simply, I'm going to click on that project. Then here we have some pages. As you can see, you can go ahead and follow up the pages. And now I am going simply to add the text and we are going to begin the design of it. Here I'm going to add a text. For example, let's go ahead and modify this text. Here I'm going to put presentation like that. Here, for example. Then we have this text. So we are going to select that text. Right here it is selected, or you can add from the pages. For example, here we have page 1, page 2. Right here we are going to add something here, the text. I'm going to add a text right here like that, and I'm going to put, for example, presentation here like that. Then I'm going to select that text. Simply we are going to put the size of it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so we are going to see the presentation. Make it maybe 75 like that. This is enough. Simply we have here the text. We can go ahead and change the color of the text. Click on it, select all the text, click on color, under the text are going to change the color of it as much as you want. For example, I'm going to put it this royal blue maybe like that. Here we have the size. You can go and adjust the line, the alignment, and also the font. Let's go ahead and choose a font. For example, this one. This is a better font. You can do ahead a custom font, or you can go ahead and upload some fonts. Now, this is not our subject. Let's go back to the animation or the effects. All you have to do, simply go here some fields above the text. Like that, we have the transform, styles, cursor, overlay, and effects. We're going to click on the effects, and here it will appear a drop-down menu. We have here multiple choice of the effects. Here it is a little bit limited since we are going to use Framer, which is normally a great website creator, but it is okay. We can go ahead and use some animation or import some animation from Figma, and here we have it. I'm going to let you see all the animation that we can add from Framer. Click on appear, for example. Here we have the effect set, and here we have the trigger. You can put it on appear or on scroll, layer in view, or section in view. I'm going to put it, for example, on appear. The preset, you can go ahead and select a preset. We have fade in, scale in button, flip horizontally, flip vertical, slide in top, in left, in right, in bottom. I'm going to put, for example, slide in right, and here we have the effect. If you want to see the effect, all you have to do is to click on the play button or the preview button, and here we have the effect. Click here, and it is slipping or sliding right here. I'm going to add another effect. Click here, I'm going to delete that. In the appear, I'm going to put for example, a scale in button. Then we are going simply to click on preview again, and here is the effect, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and change the effect completely from appear to hover. For hover, we have here the opacity. You can augment the opacity of the text, and here we have the scale. You can go ahead and put the scale of the text like that. I'm going to let it standard 1. We have the rotation. You can also make it 3D for the rotation, or let it 2D. Here I'm going to put it 2D, and here we have the offset, the skew, the rotation and the shadow, and here's the transition. When you click on the transition, you can put ahead the transition from spring to ease. For example, from spring right here, I'm going to increase the stiffness or reduce it, the dumping also, like that, the mass and the delay. You can put here some delay. I'm going to put it right here 3.5 seconds. I'm going to let here the preview. Click on preview and we will see something here. It is not appearing, so the preview is not on. I'm going to let something right here about that. I'm going to remove that, add it again. So here we have everything. I'm going to let it preview and here we have it. It has literally something not going on. I'm going to put here the spring, the delay. I'm going to make it like that so we can not preview this. It is no problem. I'm going to add another effect, which is here the press. I'm going to click on here and you are going to make something right here, put it like that. Here we have it. The delay is like that. You can put here the delay, let the mask, for example, like this. Click on here and something will appear. Then for the next effect, we have the loop. You can go ahead and put the loop for mirror or loop. You are going to click on here. We have a loop going on. It will not stop until you set it. For example, we have also the drag. You can go ahead and put the freeform or the snapback. Click on play and normally something will happen. Here we have something going right here. Dumping. I'm going to let here the preview. It is shown nothing. Here we have the scroll animation. Also, we have a trigger. We have a start replay preset. We have fade in and effect here, the enter and the exit. I'm going to let you see here. As always, we have nothing. We have also the scroll transform. For example, on scroll, layer in view or section in view. Here we have no section. I'm going to see here, nothing is happening. And here we have it. That was all the animations that are available in Framer. You can go ahead and choose one of those, or you are going to, for example, open up a window and go to Figma, figma.com. Then you are going to make some animation. Then you are going to collaborate the work from Figma and import them directly to the Framer. It is very easy. When you finish everything from the animation, you are going to click on publish and it will instantly publish the work that you have. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.